Would they set the first man? This is the semi-finals game 1 between Barangay San Juan and Barangay Recreo. The best of 3 series. Technical for incomplete uniform 1 Petro di Asang Barangay San Juan. Basket for 3 points by Tenerife. Shot clock 15. Basket for 2 points. Fontanella dribble ball looking for Pinning by Fontanella. Pass to Olio. Olio pass for 3 points. Burradas. No. Clear over the sky. Hell rebound. Pass to Fontanella. Fontanella dribble the ball looking for Pinning by Fontanella. Fontanella makes a pass. And turn over. 9 minutes left. Rayogen pass for 3. No. Galapin for the rebound. Basket for the points by Galapin. Fontanella dribble ball looking for Pinning by Fontanella. Fontanella ball on the leader. Pass to Olio. 15 seconds to shoot. Shot clock 10. No. Rebound by Burradas. To Abangan. Back to Burradas. Burradas. Basket for 2 points. He scores 6 all. The first deadlock of the ball game. Fontanella. Behind the arm. Basket for 3 points by Fontanella. Burradas. By whistle. Committed by jersey number 24. Jersey number 29. Hinova first personal foul. Burradas on the 15-foot lane. First attempt to basket. Second throw balls in play. Tenerife dribble ball walking for winning by Tenerife. Henderson by Galapin. Galapin to Abangan. To Sevilla. Abangan. Henderson by Tero. Tero dribble ball. Dribbling on the right. Attacking by Burradas. No. Julio save the ball. Shot clock 16. Shot clock 14. Basketball to points by Julio. Habana the leader, dribble ball looking for Pinning by Habana, attacking on the bilang. No! He knows over the rebound pass to Quintanilla. Quintanilla, fake from the team. Pass to Tiro. Shot clock 15. Shot clock 10. Bayogeng for the rebound, dribbling on the run. Bayogeng is the pass to Galapin. By Wilson, committed by jersey number 29 for illegal use of hands and substitution. Galapin on the 15-foot lane, first attempt, no basket, second throw balls and play. 6 minutes and 47 seconds remaining time. Basket for 1 point by Galapin. Quintanilla, Reynolds supply, Sevilla to Balan. Basket for 2 points by Balan. He scored. (11-9). Basket for 2 points by De La Torre. Basket for 2 points by Sevilla. The score 12-all. The second deep dunk of the ball game. 13-all. 13 na lang. 13. Five minutes and 14 seconds remaining time. No basket. Substitution. Five minutes and 25 seconds remaining time. Tenerife. Shot clock 15. Shot clock 10. Shot clock 8. 8 to shoot. Shot clock 8. Shot clock 5. Basket for 2 points. Habagan, dribble ball. Habagan. Pass to Bayogeng. Takes a pass. 4 minutes and 45 seconds remaining time. Basket for 2 points. Substitution. 4 minutes and 35 seconds. Time out. Recreo. Remaining time 4 minutes and 35 seconds on the first quarter. With a score of 13-17 in favor of Barangay Recreo. Brought to the cartel. This is the semi-finals game 1 between Barangay San Juan and Barangay Recreo for the best of 3 series. To shoot. Rebound by Tenerife. To Fontanilla. Shot clock 15. Fontanilla marks for 3 points. Bukal. Fasto. Gibara. Gibara marks for 3. No. De La Torre for the rebound. De La Torre, baseball pass now. Yes! Someone's gonna take a slap of a foul. Jersey number 12. Rivara, first personal foul. Julio on the 15-foot lane for the 3 points opportunity. Stop. 3 minutes and 56 seconds remaining time. Seconds to shoot. Marciano. Está Benotan. No basket. Buradas. No. Ikay for the rebound. Three minutes and 13 seconds. Well, undergoing basket for the point. Jersey number 87, De La Torre. First personal foul. And timeout, Barangay San Juan. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 19 seconds. Back to the Bartow. Remaining time 3 minutes and 19 seconds. Shot clock 12. Shot clock 9. First for 3 in the basket. Shot clock 10. Anderson by Bandana. Bandana to Sokran. No. Jump ball. Pemilisaro Iasan Barangay San Juan Bulang. 2 minutes and 46 seconds remaining time. Substitution. Shot clock 15. Rebound by Bandada. Bandada dribble ball. Looking for winning by Bandada. Fasto. Amar. To Soklan. 15 seconds to shoot. Bandada. Shot at 13. Shot at 10. Basket for 3 points by Bandada. 2 minutes and 5 seconds remaining time. 2 minutes left. Shot clock 10. One minute and 45 seconds. Shot clock 15. Soklan. To De La Torre. Pass to Amar. Shot clock 10. Shot clock 5. Vivara versus Bertie. No. Garon. Soklan. Dribble ball. Pass to Amar. 1 minute and 15. No. 5 foul. Committed by jersey number 3 in substitution. 1 minute and 8 seconds. Basketball one by Soklan. Second throw balls in play. Complete 2 points by Soklan. 1 minute and 5. Foul committed by jersey number 6. First personal foul. Seconds. 15. Shot clock 15. 45. 40. 35. 30. 25, shot clock 15. Foul jersey number 20. Penalty na rin, penalty na. 20.6 seconds remaining time. First attend by Igay Novosket, second throw balls in play. .6 seconds. 15. 10. 5. Foul jersey number 3 for illegal use of hands. Second personal foul. 3.1 seconds remaining time. 3.1 seconds. And on the first quarter, with a score of 34-17 in favor of Barangay Recreo. Back to the court now for the second quarter game between Barangay San Juan and Barangay Recreo. This is the semi-finals game 1 for the best of 3 series. Posisyon araw sa Barangay Recreo bola. Lazaro Mars for 3, shoot! Galapan to Sevilla, no! Tenerife for the rebound, Tenerife, triple ball, attacking by Sevilla, no! Habangan for the rebound, habangan, extra pass to Sevilla, extra pass to Natson. Lazaro dribble ball looking for Benibay. Lazaro pass to Soklan. Soklan. Pass to Tiro. And Lazaro out of bounds by Tiro. Habangan dribble ball looking for Benibay. Habangan. Pass to Sevilla. 15 seconds to shoot. Playing. Dance to shoot. First for 3, no basket, Tiro for the rebound. Fast to Tenerife. Tenerife to Soklan. Soklan, dribble ball. Attacking by Apan. By Rizal. Committed by jersey number 9. Habangan, first personal foul. Shot clock 15. Miscommunication. Bayogin first for 3, no basket. Sevilla. Pass to Abangan. Abangan, extra pass. And lost it out of bounds by Sevilla. Tenerife. Basket for 2 points by Tenerife. Galapan. Adalah pas area. Shot clock 13. Rejected to the ice. Shot clock 10. Soklan. Dribbling on the run, intercept by Abangan. Abangan is tapping again, no! Rizal committed by jersey number 16, pushing foul. In substitution. Shot clock 15. Intercept by Lazaro. To Tiro, no basket.